Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix runtime error code is r6034 in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, this is very easy to fix. So first you need to type cmd. Now right click on it, click on run as administrator. Now need to type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now wait some few minutes. This processor will be completed. If this processor will be completed, so type second command. I will give you in description box. So just copy and paste it. So after this all processor will be completed. So close it and restart your PC. Hopefully after restart all problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.